Welcome back to the Mushroom Network podcast, where the spores meet the speakers. I'm Zach, and with me is the fungal sage, Nova. Today's episode springs from a curious question by our junior Myco patron, Jenny.
Jenny's question is one that puzzles a lot of folks as they wander through the produce section. She's curious. What's the deal with mushrooms? Are they actually vegetables? I see them right next to my organic lettuce and other salad fixings.
And Jenny doesn't stop there. She dives deeper into the mushroom mystery, pondering why white button mushrooms and their upscale cousin, portobellos, seem to have a monopoly in the grocery market. Why so few choices, Jenny wonders.
Let's slice into these questions like a knife through a fresh shiitake. First off, mushrooms are not vegetables. They belong to their own kingdom entirely separate from plants and animals. Think of them as the enigmatic third cousin at the family reunion, the one who's neither into photosynthesis nor mobile, but fascinatingly complex and full of surprises.
As for the button and portobello question, Jenny, you've stumbled upon a family secret. White buttons, creminis, and portobellos are indeed all the same species, just at different stages of maturity. It's like the mushroom version of aging from a bright young child to a distinguished, broad-capped adult.
And their prevalence? Well, it's a bit like asking why chicken is a staple meat. They're versatile, easy to cultivate, and have a mild taste that appeals to a broad audience. But fear not, the world of mushrooms is vast and varied, much like the realms in a fantasy novel.
Which leads us perfectly to the joys of growing your own mushrooms at home. Whether you're in a bustling city apartment or a quiet suburban home, there's a mushroom ready to thrive in your space. With a bit of research and the right genetics, you can cultivate everything from oyster mushrooms to exotic lion's mane.
Speaking of lion's mane, let's not forget the burgeoning world of mushroom tea and coffee. These concoctions have people buzzing, not just from caffeine, but from their health benefits. Yet, as Jenny wisely hinted, knowing what goes into your mushroom brew is crucial.
Absolutely, Nova. Crafting your own mushroom coffee or tea at home can be a delightful and healthful adventure. It's all about quality control. You know exactly what's going into your cup, ensuring you reap all the benefits without any unwanted surprises.
And for those curious about turning these fungi into a feast, let's talk about crafting a mouth-watering meal with lion's mane. Its meaty texture and subtle flavor make it perfect for a faux crab cake or a savory mushroom risotto. It's gourmet dining, straight from your Mycology lab to your table.
And just when you thought we couldn't stir the pot anymore today, we've got a culinary curveball that's sure to pique your interest. Nova, what's on the menu?
Oh, Zach, we're about to dive into a dish that's both a crowd pleaser and a mycological marvel. We're talking about a lion's mane mushroom steak, a hearty, savory dish that turns this unique fungus into a dinner table centerpiece.
Wait, a mushroom steak? Now, that's a plot twist. How do we even start?
It all begins with a thick slice of lion's mane mushroom, Zach. This isn't your average fungus. Its texture is so meaty, and when cooked right, it can rival any steak. First, you'll want to marinate it to infuse it with flavors. A little olive oil, garlic, soy sauce, and a hint of time-work wonders.
Marinated to perfection, I'm digging it. What's next?
Then, it's time to heat up your skillet. You'll sear the lion's mane on both sides until it's golden brown and crispy on the edges. The key is to let it develop a nice crust, just like a real steak.
I can almost hear that sizzle. How do we serve it up?
Once it's cooked, let it rest for a moment, then slice it into thick, juicy strips. Serve it atop a bed of mashed potatoes or your favorite greens. Drizzle it with a bit of the pan juices, and voila! You've got yourself a lion's mane mushroom steak that's bound to impress.
That sounds absolutely divine, Nova. And you know, it just goes to show the incredible versatility of mushrooms. From coffee to steaks, there's a mushroom out there for every dish and occasion.
Precisely, Zach. And for our beloved Myco listeners who are ready to don their chef hats and dive into this recipe, we've got a special treat. We're including a detailed recipe link right in the podcast description. It's free to download, so you can bring this mycological delight to your table.
Absolutely. Make sure you dive into that link, folks. It's not just about transforming a mushroom into a steak. It's about transforming your perception of what mushrooms can do. This lion's mane mushroom steak recipe is just the beginning. When you start exploring the world of mushrooms, you'll find it's as vast and varied as the culinary possibilities they present. From the depths of the earth to the heights of gourmet cuisine, mushrooms like the lion's mane can surprise you with their versatility and depth of flavor. And speaking of surprises, have you heard about chaga mushrooms?
Oh, chaga mushrooms are fascinating, Zach. They grow primarily on birch trees in cold climates, looking more like a clump of burnt charcoal than what most people think of as a mushroom. But don't let their appearance fool you. Chaga is packed with antioxidants and has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, especially in Northern Europe and Russia.
That's incredible, Nova. And I hear it's becoming quite the trend in health and wellness circles.
Absolutely, Zach. As people search for natural ways to boost their health, chaga mushrooms have surged in popularity. They're being used in teas, powders, and even skincare products. The antioxidants in chaga are believed to help reduce inflammation, boost the immune system, and even lower blood sugar levels. Plus, its potential anti-cancer properties are currently being researched, making it a subject of increasing interest in the scientific community.
The power of fungi really knows no bounds. It's amazing to think about the health benefits these natural wonders can offer. And for our listeners who are intrigued by the potential of mushrooms like chaga, or those looking to dive deeper into the world of mycology, we've got something special for you.
That's right, Zach. Our Spore Explorer course has officially launched today on the Mushroom Academy. Whether you're fascinated by the medicinal properties of chaga, want to gourmetify your meals with lion's mane, or just get your hands dirty growing your own mushrooms, this course is your ultimate guide to home mycology. From spore to harvest, Zach and I will be right there with you, guiding you through the mycelium maze.
Wow. Nova. The Spore Explorer course sounds like a mycologist's dream come true. But I hear there's one more surprise you have up your sleeve for our Myco listeners.
You're absolutely right, Zach. We have something truly special for our Myco patrons. Are you ready for the Mushroom Network Myco Patron Giveaway? It's our way of saying thank you and giving you a sneak peek at how you can potentially get the Spore Explorer course for free.
Now that's a word everyone loves. Tell us more, Nova.
It's simple and exciting. The giveaway is open to all our Myco patrons. If you're not a Myco patron yet, don't worry. You can sign up for free, set up your username according to our guidelines. Then you will need to opt into the Mushroom Network's Myco Patron Giveaway, and you're in. There's no purchase necessary, just pure mycological passion.
That sounds incredibly easy. And what can our lucky winners expect to find in their mystery box?
Oh, Zach, it's quite the enigma. Picture this. Each box is a cornucopia of mycological marvels. Imagine unwrapping exclusive mushroom-centric goodies, ranging from trendy mycology wear and the most innovative cultivation gadgets to 3D printed fungal figurines, funky stickers or slaps, captivating spore print art, bespoke myco jewelry, and even exotic and sought-after mushroom genetics. Every single box is crafted to be a one-of-a-kind surprise, guaranteed to delight any mushroom aficionado.
And how do our Myco listeners get in on this amazing giveaway?
Becoming part of our Myco Patron giveaway couldn't be easier for our cherished Myco patrons and dear Myco listeners. If you haven't joined our vibrant community yet, fear not, because signing up is absolutely free and just a click away. But to leap into our enchanting giveaway, you'll need to follow one simple extra step. Just click the link in our podcast description or navigate through the Mushroom Network site. Look for the Myco rewards under the account section in the main menu, where you'll find the opt-in form for the Mushroom Network Myco Patron giveaway. There, you'll be greeted by a form that's as straightforward as it gets. For those with a Myco Patron account, you'll find most fields blissfully pre-populated with your details. Just a quick tick in the box to agree to the terms is all that's required from you. We've made sure the process is seamless and swift, ensuring it takes less than a minute to complete. So don't hesitate to opt in and secure your spot for a chance to uncover some of the most incredible mycological treasures. And don't forget, keep a keen eye on our YouTube channel for those eagerly awaited winner announcements. You'll want to be in the loop to see if your name is the next to be celebrated as you claim your mystery prize filled with fungal wonders.
Incredible prizes, regular giveaways, and a chance to snag the Spore Explorer course for free. Being a Myco patron truly is the gift that keeps on giving. But with so many prizes, how do winners get chosen?
Well, that's the really cool part. There are several ways to win, Zach. For our regular giveaways, winners are picked through random draws, giving everyone a fair shot at those mystery boxes. Then there are instant wins during special promotions, where the first few to sign up for something, say our Spore Explorer course, might get it free or snag other cool prizes.
Spontaneity and surprises. That's quite the mix.
Exactly. We also have sporadic giveaways, those unexpected surprises that pop up now and then. Plus, our seasonal and holiday giveaways dial up the excitement, offering themed prizes and increasing the chances to win.
It sounds like our Myco patrons have plenty to look forward to, and they only need to opt in once to be part of this?
That's right. One-time opt-in, endless chances to win. It's our way of adding a bit more fun and appreciation for our Myco patrons. Just make sure to keep an eye on our YouTube channel and social media for winner announcements and claim your prize within 72 hours.
So, there you have it, folks. The Mushroom Network. Myco Patron Giveaway is your ticket to a world of mycological wonders. Sign up, opt in, and who knows? The next winner announcement could have your name on it.
Dive into the unseen, embrace the enchantment of mycology, and let's celebrate the love of fungi together. Be sure to check out the link in the description for all the details and to opt in for the giveaway.
That's our time for today, folks. Please continue to send us your spore-tastic questions at themushroomnetwork.com/tips. We love hearing from you all. Whether you're here for the knowledge, the community, or the chance at some amazing mushroom goodies, we're thrilled to have you with us. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and spread those spores of joy. This is the Mushroom Network Podcast, signing off.